Hello students, today we are talking about some number system and there are many type of number. One is the natural number. Natural numbers are the number we use to for the counting and ordering. It is denoted by n like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. The smallest natural number is 1 and the natural number goes on the infinity. So there is no greatest natural number. 0 is not natural number because it belongs to whole number, and there are five properties of the natural number like closure property. First closure property is the sum and product of two natural number is always the natural number, like 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 3 is the natural number and 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 is also the natural number. And then the commutative property, sum of two numbers like a plus b equals to b plus a. And then associative property, a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c, like this. And then the distribute property, suppose a into b plus c equals to ab plus ac. Okay, next we are going to discuss about the whole number. Whole number nothing but the all the natural number including 0 is called the whole number. And then we recall some integer. Integers are the collection of negative numbers like 0, all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers. It denoted by z. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, all the negative integers, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, all the positive integers, and 0 is an integer. Okay, and the integer can be shown on the number line. To right to 0 is the positive integer and to left to 0 is the negative integer. And there are types of integer like positive, negative and 0, and they also fulfill the properties like closure property, commutative property, associative property and distribute property. And on the number line, integer to the right is always the greater than the one who it's left, and it used to represent some of the gain, loss, profit and loss, temperature, like this. And next one, we will discuss about the rational number. Rational number is the number that can be written as the form of p by q. Here p is an integer and q is also an integer, but q is the non-zero integer. Example, half, one third, one fourth, like this. Rational numbers have the terminating or repeating decimals. Like if 1/4 equals to 0.25, that is the terminating, and 2 by 2/3 equals to 0.6666, like this is the repeating. Okay, and the type of rational number is the positive, two two-third, one-third, like this, and also the negative, that is the minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by 2, like this. And 0 is also the rational number. 0 can be represented as the 0 by 1. It can be placed between the integer on the number line. There is also a properties, they have also a properties like closure properties, commutative properties, associative property, like this, and distributive properties also. And the applications like we can use this rational number on the sum of fractions, measurement, money, ratio, probability, like this. You can use this rational number on geometry, on circle, and some natural content in science. It suppose the growth and physics formulas, like this. Now, last one is the irrational number. Irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as p by q form. It's a decimal form never terminates and never repeats. The example of the irrational number are root 2, root 3, pi, e. They are non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Already I told, and the you can represent the pi. The value of pi is 3.1415. Like is non. I mean not repeating. So the irrational number can be placed between two integer like fractions, but they are not exact fractions. The sum and difference of the rational number and irrational number is irrational number, and product of non-zero rational number and irrational number is rational number, except the division by zero.